Good folks, James Potter here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely mint condition 191 BMW 5 Series 520i M Sport Saloon. It comes in this jet black metallic finish with the BMW LED front lights, the M Sport front bumper, the front parking sensors, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging. The privacy glass in the rear with the black trim surrounding the windows, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 520i badging, the rear LED tail lights, the rear parking sensors, the twin exhausts, the automatic trunk with it, and with the the rear M Sport spoiler. Now folks, let's take a quick look at the interior. Now that we're inside, you can see the fully digital cockpit that comes in a comfort mode, sports mode, and an Eco Pro mode. Also on board is the BMW teleservice, the iDrive system with the automatic transmission, the e-brake. You also have the 360-degree parking sensors. The interior comes in an ivory white Dakota leather with a dark oak wood trim finish, alongside customizable ambient lighting. Right now it's in blue. You have fully electric windows, automatic rain sensing wipers, automatic lights, the upgraded sound system, the BMW SOS service system, the satellite navigation system, the media, Bluetooth connectivity, keyless push button start ignition, heated seats, fully electric seats, the pedestrian safety system, air conditioning, CD player, and many other extras. Now folks, that was just a quick look around this 191 BMW 5 Series 520i M Sport. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. My name is James Power, and I hope you enjoyed this video.